Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Lutfi and my members Luqman Hakim and then Haziq. So we are from Group 8. So based on the assignment given, so we need to explain about the bulky organic manure. So what is bulky organic manure? So bulky organic manure is one of the types of organic fertilizer that we can use for our organic farming. So first, in bulky organic manure, there are maybe I don't know, maybe two. So I'm gonna explain about two types of the bulky organic manure, which is first farmyard manure. So what is farmyard manure? Farmyard manure is basically manure that we take from animal excretion. So and we mix a bit with a plant residue like husk or leaf, like leaf or hay, like that. So wait, yes, so like cow dung, straw, grass clipping. So we mix it, so it can become fertilizer. Okay, so next, which is compost. So what is compost? Compost is a prepared product, which is we mix with plant, animal waste, mix along, and we put a bit of soil. So it is a type of fertilizer in the bulky organic manure. Okay, so that's all. Next, for my friend, thank you.
Okay, so I want to continue about our topic, which is bulky organic manure. So the next subtopic is what is biogas slurry. Okay, biogas slurry is the mixture of dung and water which enters the biogas plant in semi-liquid form. It's called undigested slurry. The undigested slurry undergoes a series of anaerobic digestion processes or fermentation in a biogas digester and is converted into combustible gas called biogas. The residue of the fermentation comes out as sludge, which is known as digested biogas slurry. So, what is the characteristic of digested biogas slurry? So I got three the characteristic of digested biogas slurry. The first one is fully fermented, which is biogas slurry is odorless and does not attract flies. Second, biogas slurry repels termites and pests that are attracted to raw dung. And the last one is biogas slurry reduce weed growth, which is application of biogas slurry as proved to reduce weed growth by up to 50%. So the next point is what is poultry manure, sheep and goat. So I got some points that I want to share about. So first, what is sheep and goat manure? Sheep and goat manure is the dropping of sheep and goats contain higher nutrients than farmyard manure and compost. On an average, the manure contains 3% of N2, 1% P2O5 and 2% K2O. So the last one, what is poultry manure? Poultry manure is the excreta of birds ferment very quickly. If left exposed 50% of its nitrogen and lose within 30 days, poultry manure contains higher nitrogen and phosphorus compared to other bulky organic manure. The average nutrient content is 3.023% N, ratio of 2.63% P2O5 and 1.4% K2O. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum. So next I'll be presenting about green manure and vermicompost. So what is a green manure? A green manure is also called a cover crop, which is a crop that is planted for the benefit of the soil. What is the benefit of the soil? The benefit is we will keep the soil full of nutrients. Green manure is a process of planting a crop to mix it into the soil to increase its fertility. Green manure can also be planted after harvesting crops as cover crop to keep the rich topsoil from being washed away, maybe by heavy rain or others. So technically, green manure is planting a cover crop and then we slash or cut it and left it on the soil and let it to be decomposed, and it will become fertilizer for the next yield crop. Next is vermicompost. It is a product of decomposition by various species of earthworms to create a mixture called vermicast. What is a vermicast? It is the worm humus, and it is the end product of decomposition or breakdown. How to make the vermicast is we will put the earthworms into a large container containing a lot of compost for the worm to eat. So when the worms excrete, the excrete products of the worm will become the vermicast. The benefits of the vermicast is that it can reduce level of contaminants, and it has higher saturation of nutrients compared to other organic materials. So bulky organic manure is organic fertilizer that is applied in large quantity. So that's all from us. Thank you and Selamat Hari Raya.